studied more than 18 identities. That's why.
That is not required from the examination point of view. No? Like if you were to have the board exams, so there only 3 or 4 identities are required. Okay, not that much identities are required. Getting it now? Huh.
Yes, sir.
But if you are preparing for some competitive exams, so thereby it would be good for you if you were to study. All right now. लेकिन
Yes,
इतने
sir.
सारे हमें याद नहीं करने होते. Anyways, so have a look at this question. Before I move on to question, first let me re-revise the things about the identities. So you namely have 4 type of identities.
Yes, sir.
See this thing over here. Like if the given expression that you have is the difference of 2 squares, यानी कि a square minus b square है, right now. So it would be factorized like this, and it would be a plus b into a minus b. You all know. See, identity हम कब use करते हैं? Whenever you have the expression where the terms are in squares, and you have a square minus b square like this. ठीक है ना? So if the given expression is the difference of 2 squares, एक ये expression given है, and ये expression basically 2 squares का difference है. So thereby it is this. Getting it now? So we will be factorizing it using this formula, a plus b into a minus b. So B को पता है.
Yes, sir.
Or if the given expression is a complete square. Okay, अगर given expression हमारे पास complete square है, like a plus b is expression and complete square means like this, or it could be a minus b like this. So if the given expression is a complete square, you have either of the two formula. You guys are well aware of it.
Yes, sir.
So namely, these are the expressions you have to study. Okay. In higher classes, you will also study, like if you were to have expression of this format. If the expression is like this, x square plus px plus q के form में है, right now. So here you will be find that you will getting like 2 factors for this expression. इसके जो factors आपको 2 factors
Quadratic
मिलेंगे.
equation.
That is the quadratic equation you will be studying in the in class 9. Okay, so thereby you will be having factors like a or b. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyways, I'm not going there. So just as of now, just know this. Okay, so in the factorization chapter, mainly we are going to talk about these 3 identities. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and there was one more. No, these 3 were there only.
So there was more.
X plus a into x, x plus a into x plus b. That one you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Huh, but factorization mean anxiety, I didn't find that. But just for the sake of knowing, like in the chapter algebraic expression, we studied that one also. So we could add that also, x plus a into x plus b. Okay, so that becomes x square plus bx plus ax plus ab.
A, yes, sir.
Okay, thereby x square plus uh, x into a plus b plus ab, like this. Okay, moving ahead, have a look at this question and let's try to solve this question using an identity.
So can you
Okay,
solve one?
x is here.
Can you solve one question?
Okay. So let's say I solve one question, then you guys will be solving. Okay, now. So
Yes,
let's
sir.
say that the given question, let's say I solve this one. So here you can see this is, you can assume this as A, you can assume this whole expression as B. So thereby it is in the identity, it is fitting in this identity. A square minus B square identity में ये fit हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
And you know it is basically factorized like this, A plus B into A minus
A
B.
minus B.
So now it becomes easy. You can easily solve it. Okay now.
Yes, sir.
So thereby it is x plus 2x minus 1 into,
Sir, 2 into 2x minus 1, right?
yes, No,
Nothing.
it's a square minus b square
Yes,
के
sir. Yes,
format में, a plus b into a minus b, and then x minus 2x minus 1. Okay, now.
yes,
So
sir.
thereby just x plus 2x minus 1 into x minus 2x plus 1, like this. Okay. Further,
Yes, sir.
you will simplify it, x plus 2x, that is 3x minus 1 into
Yes,
minus x plus 1. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we will be factorizing such quotients. All right. Hope it
yes,
is
sir.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take another example of this one and solve it using whichever identity is suitable for this one. It has Moz joined yet or not? Not yet.
Sir, can we do it by the fourth identity?
Can we do it by the fourth identity? You can do it with the there's no numbering in identity like the first or second. You can just
Sir, x square
say
into a
"Hmm,
plus b into x plus ab.
no, you won't be able to solve it using that identity. The
Okay, sir.
reason is there's a negative term here. एक negative term है यहाँ पर हमारे पास.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now that is why. Okay, first try to solve it, then I will be helping. Okay. In higher classes, you will be studying like there's a plus b cube also. ये भी identity है हमारे पास.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
X plus 1
Hmm.
upon x.
Exactly. ये भी हमारे पास है a plus b raised to the exponent 4 also. A minus b raised to the exponent 5 also. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
So बहुत सारे identities हमारे पास है. But we right now leave those identities. In higher classes you will be studying that. Okay. हम वैसे algebraic expression में हमने पढ़ा था x plus a into x plus b के बारे में भी. Thereby it was x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay. Yes, anyone who has done it?
No,
No,
sir.
sir, not yet.
Okay, okay. By the way, अभी तक आपको idea लगा कि which identity will be used here? Arham, which identity should be
Sir,
used here?
a square
Hmm.
minus b square.
Why you would be using that? It would be a minus b whole square.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
पहले आप क्या करेंगे ना? In the square and square roots हमने पढ़ा है उस chapter में, like 9x square and 16y square. You can write it as 3x whole square,
Yes,
and
sir.
this can be written as 4y whole square. Agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And minus 24xy. Can you not write it 2 times minus 3x multiplied 4y? 4, 3, 2. 4, 3s are 12, 12, 2s are 24. 24xy and then minus sign. Right? So
Yes, sir.
इसे हमने a assume किया, इसे b, and ये हमारे क्या है minus 2 into a into b है.
Yes, sir.
Getting it now? हाँ. So like this you can be solving such questions. Okay, both of you got it? By
Yes,
the
sir.
way, you were getting same answer, Arhan?
Yes, sir.
Good. Also, क्या अभी तक आप ये तो नहीं भूल गए ना कि like if you have an expression like 14 pq plus 35 pqr, how you will factorize this simple expression? इसे factorize करें आप.
Yes, sir.
Factorize this one.
So 7 into 2 PQ plus
Sa-
7 into 5 PQ R.
hmm. Yeah, you are also getting the same answer, Arham.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
हाँ, right now. So basically हम क्या करते हैं ना, terms को expand करते हैं. 14, it can be written like 2 into 7 into P into Q, and 35 PQ can be written as 5 into 7 into P into Q into R.
Yes, sir.
Thereby we find the common in them. 7 is common, 7 is common.
PNQ.
PQ is common. Right. So we will write the common terms first. That is,
Yes,
you
sir.
write the 7 PQ. Then whatever is left, you will be basically adding them or subtracting or doing whatever operation is between the two terms here. So thereby it is 2 plus 5 are.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So hope that is clear. Now see this question. Solve this one. You're done. Anyone? At least अभी तक identify आपने कर लिया होगा, like which identity has to be used here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Aram, I think you are having issue in solving this question, ना? Because identity part remove कर दिया गया था आपके syllabus से in the algebraic expression. हाँ?
Yes, sir.
But in factorization it hasn't been omitted now. Factorization में तो omit
Sir, I
नहीं किया
don't
गया है
think
ना?
not till now. We
Okay,
haven't
okay.
done this chapter in school.
Oh, okay, okay. Anyways, now you have learned it.
Sir, I got it.
Yeah, what value you are getting?
Sir, x into 11x plus 25.
X into 11x into 25
Plus 25.
plus 25. Why would be getting that answer? You have to factorize it using the identity. Identity use करके हमें factorize करना है ना यहाँ पर. हाँ?
Sir, I used it.
You used it. Which identity you used to solve this question?
Say a plus b whole square.
A plus B whole square. Okay, what about you, Arham?
Yes, sir. I'm also doing that.
Okay. No, Arhan. Okay, do one thing, na, send the photo of your solution. I'd like to see where you have done the mistake. Okay, on the group, send the solution
Yes, sir.
on the WhatsApp group. Okay. When you are factorizing using the identity now, basically हमें इस format में bring करना होता है expression को. Like a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a square minus b square. Like this, you have to bring the given expression in this format, like we were doing for this one. Huh? This was basically what? This was 3x minus 4y whole square now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is what we are required to do here. Okay. Yeah, Arham done.
No, sir.
Okay, okay, try to do it quickly. If having any difficulty, please do let me know. Okay, अब ज़्यादा wait नहीं करें आप, like कि if you are having difficulty, just let me know. Okay.
Sir, can you show how to do it? I'm not able to do.
Okay, first of all, see x square and 25. Okay, that can be written as x whole square. 25 can be
Yes,
written as 5 whole square.
yes, sir.
Yeah. What about the middle term here?
2
Can you
into
not
5
write
into
it as
x.
2 into x into 5? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thereby you will assume the terms as a, b, and ये क्या है?
C.
2ab here,
A to B.
right?
So
Now,
is
and
the
sign is
answer
plus. Mhm.
x plus 5 into x plus 2?
X plus 5 into x plus 2. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. No. Look here. Understand this thing. First of all, we have uh, got the terms a and b. Right now, x square का root क्या होगा basically? Root under x square is x.
Yes, sir.
Right now, so thereby a is x here. Root under 25 will be 5. So thereby b is 5. All right now. Root
Yes, sir.
under root under x square is basically what? X into x, that basically gives you back
X.
x now.
Yes,
So
sir.
thereby it's x. So thereby Arham a is x here. B is 5 here. Right now.
Yes, sir.
And the middle term to 10x, it is fitting in this format, in the format of 2 times a times b. So
Yes,
thereby
sir.
it is basically a plus b whole square, and put the values of a and b as follows. X plus 5 whole square है ये. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Arhan, now you got it or not?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Okay. Also, I would like to see like where you have done the mistakes. So if you can send it on my number also. Okay,
Sir,
now
I
if
put
not.
the values in the RHS
Hmm.
side. That's why.
Oh no, there's nothing to do with the LHS or RHS side. This is just an expression, not an equation. ये equation नहीं है, सिर्फ expression है. Expression and equation different होता है, right ना?
In
In the
expression,
Yes,
there
yes,
is no equal to.
exactly, there is an equal to, and there are the values on the left hand and the right hand side. Anyways, now moving on to the exercise part. I still think like you guys will be having issue in solving the questions of exercise.
Yes, sir.
So we are again going to do some questions. Okay. By the way, हमने
yes,
पहले
sir.
भी question practice किए. I don't know whether you guys practice questions at home after the class or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm. So let's from question number 1. Let's take question number 7. This will be solved by Arhan, and then question number 8 will be solved by Arham. Yeah, guys, come on, solve it quickly. Okay, solve it. We know that you can write x raised to the exponent 8 as what? You can write it like this. Okay, you can write it like this,
Yes, sir.
huh? You can also write it like this. Getting it now? Because 2 times 2 times 2, that is basically giving you 8 back, or 2 times 4 is giving you 8 back. Similarly, यहाँ पे in question number 8, it's a raised to the exponent 4. So thereby you can write it like this: a square and then whole square again. Okay, so I have already given you few hints here.
Sir, is my answer a square plus 2a square b square plus b square?
You're solving question number
8.
8. What value you are getting?
A square plus 2a square b square plus b square.
A square plus, again, please repeat again. A square plus
2a square b square plus b
hmm,
square.
plus b square. Okay, like after simplification, you will be getting this value. But then
Yes, sir.
later on, you will be solving it using the identity here. यहाँ पे हम identity भी use करेंगे. So thereby this will
Oh,
be
okay, sir.
simply Okay, solve it further. Also, I hope you guys are able to understand the basic thing here. Like a square plus 8a plus 16. First question मैं solve कर रहा हूँ. See, this is a whole square plus 2 into
4 into a.
4 into a. और ये क्या है? 4 square है.
Yes, sir.
Right now. So thereby after solving it, I am getting a plus 4 whole square. Right? And
Yes,
a
sir.
plus 4 whole square can also be written as a plus 4 into a plus 4. Right? And when I solve it further, now Arham and Arhan, thereby I get a square plus 4a plus 4a plus 16. Thereby I'm again getting back a square plus 8a plus 16.
16.
तो मुझे
Yes, sir.
वापस से expression मिल गया ना, right? So
Yes,
thereby
sir.
factors are basically what? When you multiply the factors, when you multiply the given factors, you get the same expression back. So you can check your answer in this manner also. All right now. So you
Yes,
can
sir.
be checking your answer in this manner also. Whether it be in the format of a plus b whole square, or whether it be in the format of a minus b whole square. You will simply expand it like this: a plus b into a plus b. Exam में sufficient time अगर आपके पास है तो you can be checking it like that: a minus b into a minus b. Okay, hope that is clear.
Sir, इसमें आंसर L minus M whole square.
You're getting L minus m whole square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's solve it and then find it. By the way, you got your answer, Arham? What value are you getting?
Sir,
Hmm.
just give me a second, sir. Wait a second.
Okay, okay. Also, you know what? ये जो आपने मुझे बताया है ना, okay, this is doubtable. You know why? This is actually wrong. Did you state the same value to me? A square plus 2a square, b square plus b square.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
No, this is actually wrong here. This will be whole square. This will be also whole square. Okay, I will be explaining that also. First, let me do the question of Arhan. Question number 7 you are solving, and it's L plus m whole square minus 4lm. So there's a hint also given here, like you will be first expanding L plus m whole square को पहले आप expand करेंगे. So let's just expand this now. So
L
thereby it
square
will be
plus M square.
L square plus 2lm plus m square,
Yes, sir.
and then minus 4lm. Right? Now we can simply see that these are the like terms. So thereby simplified further, thereby it becomes L square minus 2lm plus m square.
Yes, sir.
Right now, or you can put a bracket here like this. So thereby you will be getting a and b as follows: that a is L, b is m here. Right now, and this is in the format of minus 2ab. Getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it's L minus m whole square.
A minus
Yeah,
B whole square.
exactly. A minus b whole square is the identity here. Moving to your question, Arhan. Shall I help you further in this one?
Yes, sir.
Look, question number 8 you are solving. A raised to the exponent 4 plus 2a square b square plus b whole. Clearly, one thing can be said that it is going to be in the format of a plus b whole square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can have a hint from here also. ये 2ab के फॉर्मेट में है. So a हमारे पास क्या है? A square है. ये b
Yes, sir.
square है.
A and B square.
Right now. Further, can you not write it like this? In the exponent chapter we studied,
Yes, sir.
and this can be written further like this. Okay, so thereby it is 2. Also notice that you have got a. A term हमारे पास मिल चुका है, that is a square. B term
Yes,
हमारे
sir.
पास identity का मिल चुका है, that is b square. So thereby 2ab will be 2 into a square into b
B
square.
square.
ये 2ab के format. Getting it now, guys?
But here A is equals to. No, sir. No, nothing.
Okay. Yeah. Alright. So thereby it is a square plus b square again whole square. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now in question number 2, see if you have doubt in anyone in question number 2. Have a just brief look at it. Yeah, let's not solve it and then find it.
So
Okay.
question number 7.
Question number 7, this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's solve this one. Aram, you also look at question number 7. This one here.
Yes, sir.
X square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. Okay. So first of all, look at the terms given in the bracket. Okay ना, जो bracket पे term given है उसे हम देखते हैं. So see, is this actually not like this कि इसे हम x whole square लिख सकते हैं? This is y whole square
Minus
and this is
2ab.
basically a and b, and this term is minus 2ab, meaning
Yes, sir.
minus 2xy, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So thereby further I will write it like this: x minus y whole square minus z square. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I not write it like this? Also, guys, now you can see x minus y whole square minus z square. So how about I assume this expression x minus y as a and this as b. So now which identity we can use here? A square minus b square,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? So thereby it will be x minus y plus z, right? A plus b, you know, it's a plus b into a minus b and then a minus b. Yani ki x minus y minus z. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Notice,
sir.
don't get confused with this sign over here. इस साइन को आपको assume नहीं करना है यहाँ पर. Just take a as x minus y, b as simply z. For the sake of convenience, you can put a bracket over here to avoid confusion. Okay. So that is the way how you will do this question. Hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Question number 8 is also simple. Attempt, both of you attempt this one quickly. Yeah, this question might trouble you a little bit, but it can be solved. Know that while factorizing the expression, okay, like in some questions you might need to do some rearrangement. You can reorganize the terms, or you can take the common given in the question. Okay, in order to fit the given expression into a suitable identity. So you can do little bit of extra things in the question, like rearrangement कर सकते हैं terms के, or you can take minus one as common or plus one as common. All right now.
Yes, sir.
Any idea about this question? How do we solve this one?
So we would bring them into their simplest form,
Yes,
like
sir.
we would square root them.
Okay. All right. See if we can do it then.
And so we will use the identity a square minus b square.
We will be using that as an identity, that is for sure. But okay, first you guys attempt it, then I will be helping if you're having issue in this one. Okay.
Then I got it.
Yeah. So what value are you getting?
Um, say 5 is whole square
Hmm?
minus 2b minus 7c whole square.
Minus 2b minus 7c.
Whole square.
Whole square is both on minus 2b and on minus 7c. या
Yes,
फिर
sir.
सिर्फ okay like this.
So they are both in bracket.
They both are in bracket like this, 2b minus 7c whole square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So will we leave it here or can we not solve it further?
So we can.
Right.
I'm
So it
solving.
is right now. Okay.
So then it would be 5a plus 2b minus 7c
Hmm.
into 5a minus 2b plus 7c.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Aram, you are getting this thing or not? Yeah. Just 5a square. Yeah. Arham, should I help you? Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. Arham, please do answer whether you are getting this thing or not. I think you are on. You on mute? आप शायद mute पर I think. Okay. Till okay. Anyways, Arham isn't responding. Meanwhile, you can solve next question from the given question. From the next question, how about you factorize this one? Arhan, solve this one. Let me zoom it out for you. Hello, Arham. Have you done the previous question? Question number 7? Not question 7. Question number 8. कर लिया आपने? Arhan, is Arham audible to you? Because I can't hear him. Yeah, Arhan, is Arham audible to you? Because I'm unable to hear him.
Yes, sir.
Is Arham audible to you?
No, sir.
Okay, anyways, I think he's having mic issues.
Sir, I got the answer.
For question number 4, what value you are getting?
Sir, it's sir, it's a minus b whole quad plus 4ab into a minus b.
No, nahi. This isn't the value you will be getting. A raised to the x power 4 minus b raised to the x power 4. This is the question you are still solving. Okay, you can write it like this. a square whole square minus b square whole square. ऑलराइट ना, अब ये क्या है, ये a square minus b square के फॉर्मेट में है. So further I can write it like this. Further I can write it like this, a square minus b square के फॉर्मेट में. So I can write it like this, a plus b into a minus b. So thereby a square minus b square into a square plus b square.
Hello, sir.
Which I, yeah, Arham, you were not audible. You were saying something.
Yes, sir, I was solving this.
Okay,
Question
okay,
number
okay,
8. So I was
okay,
not
okay,
able to solve. I tried.
okay. No issue. I will be explaining that. Further, look at question number 4. I'm doing this. I'm solving this one.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ तक अभी clear है आप लोगों को? A raised to the exponent 4 and b raised to the exponent 4 can be written like this. Now it is a square minus b square. So thereby I will write it like this, a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so that's what I have done. Now further you can again see that again you are having a square minus b square. Right, Arham?
Yes, sir.
So further you can again write it like this, a plus b into a minus b. And then into a square plus b square. Right? So this is your final answer. This is how your answer should be. Is that clear to both of you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Okay. Okay, this question number 8. 25a square minus 4b square
So
plus
I'm not able
28.
to solve the identities questions.
You're not able to solve the questions of identities. In
Yes,
general,
sir.
you are saying. In general,
Yeah.
आपको difficulty हो रहा है. Okay, okay. Look here. Like till now, we have solved questions of this identity, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. हाँ? इसमें आपको
Yes, sir.
difficulty हो रही है.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Look, with practice, now it will become easier. The more you will practice, it will become easier. Okay, now. So it's a matter of practice. All right,
Yes, sir.
Naram. So don't worry. Don't worry. The more you will practice, the more better you will be doing. All right, now.
Yes, sir.
So let's solve this one. Question number 8. Now look at these terms over here. Minus 4b square plus 28bc and minus 49c square. Are they fitting in some identity? Huh? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are these terms minus 4b square plus 28bc and minus 49c square, are they fitting in some identity? नहीं. You know why? Because ये a term भी हमारे पास negative है, b term भी negative है. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And in
sir.
none of the identities we have the a and b terms as negative. So how about I take minus 1 common in all these 3 terms? क्या मैं ऐसे कर
Yes,
सकता
sir.
हूँ? What?
Yes, sir.
So 25 is square. Let's take minus common, basically minus some common लेते हैं. So common जब आप लेंगे, it has to be divided with, I told you like whatever you take common in the term, you have to divide the term with that thing. For example, 15 में मैंने 15 and 5 है, for example. So I take 5 common out of them. It means I have divided both of them with 5. That's why I was getting 5 into 3 plus 1. All right now.
Yes, sir.
Same thing we would be doing here also. Here also we would be doing the same thing. We would be taking minus sign. So thereby it will become 4b square now. Why?
Yes,
Because
sir.
minus 4b square upon minus 1 minus sign cancel, 4b square is here. Assume that there's a hidden one over here. यहाँ पर एक hidden one है. You can assume it for the sake of convenience. And this
Yes,
will be 28bc will become, yes, 28bc will become what?
Sir, 2 into 2 BC into 7.
अभी हम क्या डिस्कसिंग कर रहे हैं? Right now we are discussing about changing its sign, because a and b, they are not in negatives. Have you seen like minus a plus 2ab minus b square? Have you
No,
seen
sir.
any such identity? So thereby we will be taking minus 1 common in these 3 terms. Okay, so while I'm taking common, each term will be divided by minus 1. So 28bc will also be divided with minus 1. So thereby it becomes minus
28
28
BC.
BC. Similarly, minus b square, here also I will be taking minus 1 common now. So minus 1 से मैं divide करना होगा. So thereby it will become plus b square. Are you guys actually getting this thing or not? Or just saying yes, sir? Huh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Getting it now? ठीक है. So 4b square, this will be minus 28 BC plus 49 c square. Hope that is clear to everyone. So
Yes,
far,
sir.
no confusions.
No, sir.
Now you will be writing it in the square root. इसका अब हम करेंगे. So that will be 5a whole square,
Yes, sir.
25a square. Okay, under root it is 5
5
into
square.
5 into a. So that is 5a हमें मिलता है बाहर. That is
Yes, sir.
basically 25a square is 5a square. And now look at inside the bracket. अब bracket के अंदर हम देखते हैं. So this can be
2b
written as
square.
2b square. Good.
Yes, sir.
This can be written as 7c square. And this can
Yeah.
be written as minus 2 times 2b
7
times
into 2.
7c.
Yes, sir.
Getting it, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So further 5a square, 5a whole square minus. Now this is after simplifying it, after factorizing it, ये क्या बनेगा? What it will be? I want answer from both of you. This will be ये a square है ना?
Yes, sir.
Basically ये क्या है हमारा? a square है ना?
Yes, sir.
So minus
ये
2b minus 7c.
minus will be outside the bracket.
Yes,
You
sir.
know,
That's what
it will
I'm
be
saying.
outside the bracket. हाँ. Okay. And this will be, this is in this format ना, और हम b square के format में है ये.
Yes, sir.
And a basically क्या है? 2b है यहाँ पर. So हमने
Yeah.
2ab के format में a को place किया है. b basically क्या है? 7c है. Getting this thing now. So that is over here and
Yes,
the
sir.
minus sign. So thereby a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay now.
Yes, sir.
There's a plus sign over here also. Let's not miss that. So thereby 2b minus 7c का whole square. And the minus sign is outside. So far everything's clear. Now you have got the term
Sir,
a
but what
square.
about minus 2ab?
We will leave it now. Why? Like in the factorization, basically moments ago I told you, taking the example of this question, like a square plus 8a plus 16. The chapter factorization itself says that you write the expression as the product of its factors. यानी कि 16 का factor अगर मैं लिखता हूँ, thereby I can write it as 2 into 8. Yeah? 2
Yes,
and
sir.
8 are its factors. So इसके products, the product of 2 and 8 is giving you 16. So while
Yes, sir.
I solve this question, while I factorize this question, thereby I was getting a plus 4 whole square.
Yes, sir.
So basically a plus 4 whole square is the same thing as a plus 4 into a plus 4. And after
Yes, sir.
solving this, I am again getting a square plus 8a plus 16. It is same as like you multiply these two factors, you're getting 16. You multiply these two factors, you're getting back this expression. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why while you will be solving it now, why you would be writing 8 again why while you will be solving. Hope it makes sense to you guys. Okay, so now this whole term is a square and this whole term you will assume it as b, so thereby it is b square. So now a square b square, this identity expands to, yes Arhan?
So a plus b into a minus b.
A plus
Yes,
b
sir.
into a minus b, so thereby it is basically 5a plus 2b minus 7c, okay, into 5a minus 2b, a minus b, 5a minus 2b, like this. Let me write it like this. This is going to be 5a minus 2b minus 7c.
Yes,
Thereby
sir.
it becomes 5a minus
Plus
2b
2b.
plus 7c.
Yes, sir.
So this is what you will be writing over here. Okay now.
So 5a plus 2b plus minus 7c into 5a minus 2b plus 7c.
Exactly. So that is the required answer over here. Into 5a minus 2b plus 7c. So ये हमारे पास required answer है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you guys, both of you, Solve question number 5. Or do one thing. Arhan, you solve this one. Arham, you solve question number 3.
Yes, sir.
If identities are removed from the chapter factorization now, then there is nothing left in the chapter. Okay. So most probably, Arham, I think identities will be there for you also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I got it.
What value you are getting?
So a minus b whole square plus into a plus b whole square.
A minus b whole square into a plus b whole square. That should be the answer. What about you, Arham?
So I'm still solving.
Okay, okay. Arhan, you also solve this, the question Arham is solving. Okay. Okay, shall I erase this screen?
Yes, sir.
By the way, we are redoing the same exercise. Huh? We have actually solved such questions previously while we were doing the chapter, but I don't understand why. Like, did you guys did the questions when the assignments were given to you? Huh? Did you guys actually did the assignments or not?
Sir, this is my first time studying this chapter.
Okay, you are studying the first chapter, studying this for the first time. What about you, Arhan?
Sir, I did them.
You did them, no? Okay. Question number 5. You solve this, Arhan. Okay, so we can write it at a square whole square like this, and this can be written as b square whole square. And now the middle one is basically minus 2a square b square. So basically it is in the format of a minus b whole square. And a हमारे पास यहाँ क्या है? A is basically a square and b is b square. Right now. So further you will be writing it like this. A minus b whole square यानी कि a square minus b again whole square. Right? And now in this we get to see a square minus b square भी है हमारे पास. So we will be expanding this also further. So thereby it becomes a plus b into a minus b and then again whole square. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, further you can write it like this. A plus b whole square into a minus b whole square. होल के ऊपर स्क्वायर है, सो इंडिविजुअल एक्सप्रेशंस के ऊपर भी हम स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. गेटिंग दिस थिंग?
Yes, sir.
और हम you got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By the way, the previous the question number 3, both of you.
Just give me a second, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Take your time. Arhan, were you able to solve question number 3?
No, sir.
Okay, solve it, solve it. Okay, solve it before the class ends. So please do let me know if you guys need my help.
Sir, I can't do it.
Okay, let's do this one then.
Sir, is the answer x minus y minus z into
X,
x plus y plus z into x square plus y plus z whole square?
Okay, let's do it, then we will find it out. Okay, and whatever questions you guys are doing in the class now, make sure whether you completed the question or whether the solution is incomplete, you have to send it on the WhatsApp group. Okay now, because मैं individually track करना चाहता हूँ how you guys are actually doing the questions. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Both of you.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let's solve it. So this will be x square whole square minus y plus z square, then again whole square. क्या मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ? Because the exponents will basically get multiplied here,
Yes, sir.
right? No? So
Yeah.
I can write it like this: x raised to the power 4 y plus z whole square. Further, do I also not see that this is basically e square and ये basically क्या है? b square है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ? So can I not also add them and subtract them like a square minus b square? That is basically a plus b into a minus b. So let's again do this thing as well. X square plus y plus z. Okay, we will be adding this also. इसे हम bracket में रखेंगे. A plus b, ये a था, ये b था. A plus b and then a minus b. That is x square minus y plus z whole square. Getting this thing or not? So far, if is there any question in this one so far?
Okay.
Let me erase this part. There's lack of space over here. X square minus y plus z whole square. Now again, you have got what? See this thing. What do we need to do further? Yes, this is x square plus y plus z. Okay, y plus z whole square, and then this is x square minus y plus z whole square. How about we expand this further? Should we expand this further, or there's any more thing we can notice over here? Yes. Yes, Arhan, Arham. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I hope both of you are listening. What do we need to do further? Should we expand this y plus z or y plus z whole square?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's solve it further. This is becomes x square plus y square plus 2zy plus again it becomes z square, and then this is x square minus y square plus 2zy plus z square. अभी हम simplify करेंगे. We will simplify the terms. So see if anything can be simplified here. Are there any terms that can be simplified? The
No,
answer
sir.
is no. Getting it now. We solve it over here. Okay, we will be solving the question till the next class does not starts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's bring it over here. That is x square plus y square plus 2zy plus z square into x square minus y square plus 2zy plus z square. Okay. Further I get to see like in this way we won't be able to solve it further. अगर इस तरह से हमने solve किया तो further हम solve नहीं कर पाएंगे. So we will be taking this expression and see if we can do anything in this one. That is x square plus y plus z whole square into x square minus y plus z whole square. Y plus z whole square. Yeah. Okay, we won't be taking this one. Take it now. Now also I see here that this one over here, that is it not in the format of a square minus b square? अगर मैंने x square को a square assume किया है and this y plus z I assume it as b, so thereby this is b square. So can I not also write it like this, x plus y plus z into x minus y minus z? Can I write it like this? Hello, see this thing over here. This is a square and this whole term assume it as a b, so thereby it becomes a square minus b square. So you can write it like this, a plus b into a minus b, so that is x plus y plus z and a minus b, that is x minus y minus z. So far I hope it is clear to both of you. Getting it now? And then this term we won't be doing it any further. Okay now, because a plus b whole square वापस से आपने से expand किया, so thereby you will be getting the expression back.
Yes, sir.
Okay ना,
Yes,
इसे हम
sir.
reverse direction में proceed करेंगे इस तरह से तो. So thereby the answer should be basically x square plus y plus z whole square into x plus y plus z into x minus y minus z, right? I
Sir,
think
was the answer
you
correct?
said the same answer. Your answer was correct. Okay. Like after the class, try to have a look at the questions. Try to solve the questions. Make sure you complete the exercise after the class. Then you will be
Yes,
able
sir.
to connect with this. Otherwise, आप भूल जाएंगे concepts. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll be meeting in next class then.
Okay, sir.
Love is sir.
Love is.